Rahav Rai to unmute himself and ask a question.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaste, be blessed.
I have a parental property which is stuck, and my share of property is not coming to me because of maybe behavior of my siblings. So, will
Mhm.
I get it or I will not get it?
I like your question. Very direct, simple,
Sir,
straightforward.
you
Thank you, Ji. Go ahead and ask give me a random number for this, please.
156.
Is this your father's property or ancestral property?
No, this is my father's property. Ancestral property, I thought.
Oh, father's
My
property.
father's self-owned. Owned.
Repeat your random number, please.
156.
156. Be blessed by the divine. All right. First, let's look at the fourth bhava. Starts in Aquarius at 1439. The sublord is Ketu, and Ketu is in Swati Nakshatra, which is owned by Rahu. And also, as you can clearly see, Ketu is aspected by Jupiter. Really a 180-degree aspect. It's a little more than 180 degrees, so Jupiter will not have much of an effect. Rahu will be the most important planet. 5 and 11 in the Ketu is also in the sign of Venus. Yes, sir, you will get it. There will be some compromise in the process, but certainly you will get the property. Some fight to get some compromise will be there. You have to let go of a small portion of the property. You will certainly enjoy it. It will take some time though, but certainly you can enjoy it. You can, let me look at the planet position now. Rahu, Venus, yeah, Venus is deposited in the 9th house, and Ketu itself is in Venus sign. And yeah, you should expect some movements towards a compromise sometime between 10th of February 2024 to 14th of February 2024. Good luck, sir. Be
Sir, thank
blessed.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.